Cardano value equivalent to 4.5551 rands a coin. The present cost range: 4.4983, 4.6271. The earlier day close: 4.5561. The change was 0.0010, 0.02%. Opposite rate: ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26. Cost 4.45 rands, high 4.76, low 4.14. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, September 27. Cost 4.50 rands, high 4.82, low 4.19. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, September 28. Cost 4.48 rands, high 4.79, low 4.17. Cardano estimate on Friday, September 29. Cost 4.35 rands, high 4.65, low 4.05. And multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Monday, October 2. Cost 4.29 rands, high 4.59, low 3.99. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, October 3. Cost 4.34 rands, high 4.64, low 4.04. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, October 4. Cost 4.47 rands, high 4.78, low 4.16. Cardano estimate on Thursday, October 5. Cost 4.39 rands, high 4.70, low 4.08. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, October 6. Cost 4.39 rands, high 4.70, low 4.08. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Monday, October 9. Cost 4.31 rands, high 4.61, low 4.01. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 4.36 rands, high 4.67, low 4.05. Cardano figure on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 4.40 rands, high 4.71, low 4.09. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, October 12. Cost 4.47 rands, high 4.78, low 4.16. Cardano figure on Friday, October 13. Cost 4.36 rands, high 4.67, low 4.05. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost 4.36 rands, high 4.67, low 4.05. Cardano figure on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 4.32 rands, high 4.62, low 4.02. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 4.31 rands, high 4.61, low 4.01. Cardano figure on Thursday, October 19. Cost 4.36 rands, high 4.67, low 4.05. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, October 20. Cost 4.33 rands, high 4.63, low 4.03. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Monday, October 23. Cost 4.35 rands, high 4.65, low 4.05. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 4.31 rands, high 4.61. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 4.38 rands, high 4.69, low 4.07. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 3.72 rands. Excessive cost 3.72, while low cost 2.90. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.37. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.12, change for January 16.1%. Cardano conjecture for February 2024. Before all else cost at 3.12 rands. Excessive cost 3.40, while low cost 2.96. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.17. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.18, change for February 1.9%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 3.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.48, while low cost 3.02. The found the middle value of cost 3.23. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.25, change for spring 2.2%. Cardano gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 3.25 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.84, while low cost 3.25. The found the middle value of cost 3.48. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.59, change for April 10.5%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 3.59 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.65, while low cost 3.17. The found the middle value of cost 3.46. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.41, change for May 5.0%. Cardano gauge for June 2024. To start with cost at 3.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.24, while low cost 3.41. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.76. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.96, change for June 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 3.96 rands. Excessive cost 4.30, while low cost 3.74. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.01. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.02, change for July 1.5%. Cardano conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 4.02 rands. Excessive cost 4.37, while low cost 3.79. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.07. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.08, change for August 1.5%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 4.08 rands. Excessive cost 4.11, while low cost 3.57. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.90. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.84, change for September 5.9%. Cardano conjecture for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 3.84 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.25, while low cost 3.69. The found the middle value of cost 3.94. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3.97, change for October 3.4%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 3.97 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.97, while low cost 3.28. The found the middle value of cost 3.69. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3.53, change for November 11.1%. Cardano estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 3.53 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.33, while low cost 3.53. The found the middle value of cost 3.86. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.05, change for December 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 4.05 rands. Exorbitant cost